Yo, magandang umaga mga boss. Nandito na naman tayo sa Castisoy City. Yan guys, nandito tayo sa Hotel Loca. Ayan. So guys, pag nag-drop by kayo dito sa Legazpi City, guys, is yung Hotel Loca kasi at budget meal lang yung presyo. So pasukin natin yung loob, tingnan natin yung mga amenities nila at yung kanilang ano bang tawag doon, yung hallway. So tara, at saka yung mga room nila, papakita namin sa inyo at pinayagan tayo ng kanilang big boss. Thank you sa hotel. Maraming salamat. Thank you Hotel Loca. So tara, pasukin natin kung ano ba yung sinasabi kong maganda ba yung place at napakamura. Ang gusto naman natin talaga mga travelers, eh syempre, mura na, maganda pa, di ba? So tara, samahan nyo ako. Let's go. Hello sir, magandang umaga po.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to Hotel Luca.
Ayun, thank you sir. Yun guys, tara. Tanong natin kila ma'am kung ano yung mga details para doon sa gustong mag-drop by dito. So tara. Hello ma'am, magandang umaga po. Hello ka.
Welcome to Hotel Luca, sir. We're a 3-star hotel located here in Imperial Court Subdivision, Jasmine Street, Legazpi City. We are located at the center of Legazpi. So accessible po tayo sa mga malls and restaurants na padali niyong mapuntahan in case you want to go out and travel the city.
Affordable po ba yung price natin? Kasi yun yung mahalaga bilang isang travel vlogger or mga gustong ano ba tawag dito? Gustong gumala at mag-drop by.
We are a very affordable hotel. Soft opening pa lang po kami ngayon kasi on the works pa lang din po yung restaurant cafe namin and then the new elevator. So ang target po namin to open the restaurant is by Holy Week. Hopefully ma-target po namin yun. Our price ranges po from 1,250 up to 3,750. That is applicable po for single room, premier, deluxe, and standard room. Bali, dun po nagre-range yung amount ng rooms natin.
Ayun. May mga page po ba kayo, ma'am?
Yes sir. Bale, meron po kami Facebook page. You can search as Hotel Luca. I'll give the link to you so you can look at it on Facebook. Look it up on Facebook, and then we also have our our website hotelluca.com.ph. You can also contact us at 0945-960-1336 for reservations. We also accept walk-in guests. Yes sir. Bale, for complimentary breakfast po tayo sa premier and deluxe rooms. As for the standard room and then the single room, you can order a la carte naman po.
Ayun.
We're, ano kasi sir, so we're very accessible and then our staff are very polite naman po talaga.
Yes,
so we
true.
cater to the needs of our guests naman po talaga. So accessible po kasi siya, so if you wanna go somewhere sa mga malls, malapit lang din po siya, hindi po kayo mahihirapan kahit magko-commute lang kayo or maglalakad.
Ayun. So, ano pang inaantay nyo ma'am? Paki-invite sila dito sa Legazpi City. Mag-drop by na sila dito sa Hotel Loca. So ma'am, it's your time to invite them.
Hi everyone, I am JC and we are Hotel Luca. We are located here in Imperial Court, Jasmine Street, Legazpi City. You can visit us here for your bookings. We also accept bookings walk-in for also in Agoda and through our Facebook page and through our website.
Ayun, maraming salamat ma'am and thank you.
Thank you
ma'am.
po.
Thank you po, ma'am. Thank you very much and God bless. Hotel Loca, thank you and God bless sa inyo. Marami pong salamat.
Thank you po. Thank you sir.
Linis guys. So, yung CR nila, napakaganda, napakalinis.